Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking steak with homemade pesto sauce. As always, the full recipe is in the description below. The first step is to season the steak with salt, coriander seeds, garlic powder, and pepper. Repeat for the other side. Then drizzle some balsamic vinegar on each side. To make the pesto, we will blend rocket, lettuce, basil, balsamic vinegar, oil, salt, coriander seeds, garlic powder, sesame seed, pepper, water, and lemon juice. For extra aroma and flavor, we will cook some tomatoes with our steak. Put the steak into the air fryer and place the tomatoes on top. Cook for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. After 10 minutes, the tomatoes should be cooked. Keep cooking the steak for another 10. Now, give the steak a generous serving of pesto. Finally, add some lettuce to the plate. And voila!